systems look optimal. The nutrient levels are holding steady.
I'm taking a sample from section 4 for the bricks level test.
The optical calibration is perfect, only the premium grade is passing through.
All batches are cleared for transport. Logistics are on standby.
Calibrating the dripper for section 7. Flow rate is now nominal.
Ensure the pallet wrap tension is set to the export standard.
Skin integrity is excellent. Proceed with the final sorting batch.
The yield efficiency is up 5% from yesterday morning. Irrigation pressure is holding steady after the recalibration.
Surface tension and color density meet the premium export criteria.
Palletizing sequence for batch 09 is running without errors.
This is the final check. If this passes, we clear the entire morning harvest.
Evening sensors are calibrated. Humidity levels are optimal for the night cycle.
Sorting station 4 is entering maintenance mode. Sanitation is verified.
Data is synchronized. Today's premium harvest is fully accounted for.
greenhouse section alpha is secure for the night cycle. Data upload complete.
Conveyor lines are clear. Sanitation protocols are ahead of schedule.
The morning shipment is already at the distribution hub. We are ready for tomorrow.
Morning cycle initiated. Resyncing system diagnostics.
Overnight sanitation is verified, ready for the first harvest of the day.
Section 8 is peaking. We should prioritize this row for the high-pressure wash. First pallet is ready for stretch wrap. Clear bay 1 for the transport container. All drippers in row 12 are cleared for the next cycle.
The bricks levels are consistent across the last 3 harvest sections. This batch is approved for immediate refrigerated transport.
Evening parameters are locked. Sensors are reading normal.
Overnight logistics pathing is now active.
Batch 0904 is approved. Seal integrity is perfect.
That concludes today's harvest cycle.
Everything is on schedule.
Starting the morning cycle. Light levels rising.
Sanitation verified. Drum 3 is ready for the first batch.
Logistics systems are green, ready for the first pallet.
The color gradient is perfect on this batch. We are clear for shipping.